Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a mini planner transformation. One of the things I recommend if you're ever getting bored with your planner is to switch the cover if you can. Erin Condren has that flexibility to do that, as well as the Happy Planner. While Erin Condren is on a coil, the covers are removable. And I believe there are some at Michael's that can do the same thing. I am using a Franken Planner disc-bound system. And this is a hardcover from the Happy Planner. I also have metal discs, but I'll link below the whole Franken Planner system that I have here below in the description box. I went to Michael's and I found this deluxe cover. And as you can see, it is black and white. I love it. And this was a regular $34.99 marked down to $3.49. So I want to see how this will look on my planner. I also don't think I'm going to be able to keep the hardcover on here, which is fine. But here's the inside. This one is a little bit bent up, but from what I've seen on the Happy Planner page is that you can basically stick like a list pad in here or a sticker book and then some stuff over here. And then there's like a little pocket, but the cover, the back cover is supposed to slide into here. Now, if I were to try and slide this hardcover into the back of here, it just wouldn't work. It's too thick. So I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off. I'm going to leave my metal disc. And the cover that I brought in is this old one, but this is basically going to be sliding into the cover anyway. So let's see. Slide, slide, slide. Slide, slide, slide. And it should be a comfortable fit inside of here. So there we have it. Now, if I wanted to leave that cover on there, I could. The top cover, the pink one, it would be perfectly fine. There's even room on here if I want to use expandable discs. I just feel like now with this cover on, this is like a freaking huge planner. It's ginormous, but I'd be able to put stickers and things of that nature here. But yeah, I don't think I don't have to take off the hardcover, which is nice that I don't have to do that because I like it. I just had to remove the one on the back. So do you guys think it's too large? What do you guys think? Is it like a good size? Like carrying this around, is it like teams too much? Like if I'm on the go somewhere with this? I like it. I like it a lot though, because I carry around different pouches and stuff and it just doesn't do anything for me. Oh, and another great thing is that there is a pen loop. Let's see if my pen will fit. And the pen that I like to use, which I have linked in the description box, is the Bic Gelocity in the 0.7. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get the whole thing inside of here, but I can at least get the little loop-de-loop thing here. So let me actually flip all of this. And then there we have it. Now, if I were to add a sticker book to this, it would be the wellness one. It is by far my favorite sticker book. So that would just slide right there and I can flip and use all of those. And if I wanted to put one in the front, I'd have room to do that as well. So it's kind of like a planner on the go system. I don't think that this pen is going to, no, it's not. So this is the best bet I have with the pen is to situate it that way. And this cover is nice and snug in there. So even with that, it's not really, I won't say that it's really heavy because it's not, but it's nice to be able to fit a, what am I trying to say? A sticker book back there. Now for the front pockets, I have space to put stuff here because I don't think this is supposed to like go inside of here. I just think it's supposed to be like that. So if I wanted to put some papers here, I could easily add another sticker book here. So let's see from my stash, which one would I want to add that I would actually use? I don't know. I don't know. I would say the colorful boxes just because it's another functional sticker book. So that one I actually put up here in this pocket. So that one can go there, and then this closes. It still all closes even with 2 sticker books in here. So it's a snug fit with 2 sticker books, but I will say that having both bulks this up a little bit. I feel like there'd be space to put expander rings on here, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I would just decorate this part and make it look cute. And then I'd have my wellness sticker book back here. And if I ever want to switch this out with another one that I'm loving at the moment, just because I reach for this one so much, then I can do that. But here is where I can be cute. Like, look at this little clip. Isn't it so cute in the front here? So this is where I can go into my stash and just, you know, really be creative and see what I have and add some stuff there. I'm trying to see now if there's anything I'd want to add. And right now, other than that clip, there's not. But yeah, so I like it. I don't know if I'm going to, you know, stick with this forever, but I do like it. I think that for someone that does memory keeping, having it stowed away inside of here is a really, really nice option. But also it's protecting the discs even more. And I have metal discs from the Happy Planner, and I realized that they're starting to tarnish. So, I mean, I like it. I do. We will see. We will see if I end up sticking with it or not. But for now, I'm going to leave it here and I'm going to let it rock, and I'm going to bring it with me. And if I like it, if it works, and I mean working as in I'm able to open this up, flip to my page. I'm probably going to put like some sticky notes over here. Oh, I can do that. I have a little pouch that currently has sticky notes inside of it. So what I could do is take the sticky notes out of here, which is 1, 2, and 3. Been using a lot of sticky notes for various lists. These I'm using more so for like daily, since I'm using a weekly spread. These just work out better for those days where I need to mark down exactly what it is I'm doing. So, I mean, if I were to close this, put this one here, and then put that one behind it, and then this one, you know, it's cute. I actually even do it like that. And then pop the clip up there. So there you have it. And I actually have another clip that I'm going to be adding, which is another black and white one. So that is it. and I don't know, it's just something about the paint cover now that's throwing everything off. So let's see. Oh man, took the whole thing off. Okay, let's try this again. So here's the cover to this one. Because the other cover that I loved, the This Is Your Year, I ended up using that for a DIY. So I don't even have that one anymore in a classic size. It's now like a half sheet. So now I have to pull this out from its little comfortable space, but it's cool. So I'm just going to put it right back in. Okay, so turn it to the side. Push, push, push. Put it back on the disc for the few that it came off of. And I love this so much better. For sure. I love this one a lot better. So here's my little pocket situation. Got my pen, got my planner, and that's it. So we'll see. I'll update you guys on whether I stick with this or not. But the con I will say to this is that it's very, very, very large. But the pro is that I'm able to, you know, carry around my stash in one place and not have to have all these pouches and whatnot. So while even though this is a small pouch, still you get what I'm saying. So that wraps it up for this video. Be sure to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have products featured in the video as well as related videos, which will include my Franken planner system. Of course, be sure to check out the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. And if you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic family, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.